Angelina here, and she's been seeing us for about 8 weeks for her knee pain and also having some back pain. So tell us, how you feel about after 8 weeks with us?
After 8 weeks, the knee pain is completely gone.
Wow, awesome.
And yeah, it is awesome. And and I'm able to do squats, and I'm able to walk up and down stairs normally without limping or hanging onto the rail and going down one side. The unexpected benefit was I also had a chronic back issue, which is about 70% better.
Wow, that's awesome. So you're being able to do more, you're able to do more things that you love to do without having pains in your knee, without having pain in your back.
Yes, I think what I like are the stretching exercises. And we had talked about this earlier with regard to going to the gym. That was always very discouraging for me, and I also found it very boring. But when I started doing the stretching and the exercises, I realized this is something I can stick with, and it's increased balance. It's definitely increased strength, and I was really proud. I'm really proud to say I can actually hold a plank now for more than a minute,
awesome.
which I don't even think I could get into a plank position when I arrived here.
Nice. Yeah, no, I know you were suffering definitely with the pain in the knee, and it was stopping you from doing things. So I'm happy that you were able to do more and stay more active.
Yes, me too.
All right.
It's been a wonderful experience.
Oh yes, I'm very happy that you're can do more and feel like you feel more confident in the things you can do.
Yes, definitely.
Yes.